Bakit pink ka, kuya?
Baka sa ilo din mo ito, I don't know.
Umpa-lumpa yarn.
Legit ba?
Joke.
Puta, para akong hotdog na pinatong sa kanin.
Nangangamatis ka pa kami.
Hi guys! Hey! So, today I will be going on a website that is the pinnacle of every sleepover. Omegle! I'm kind of scared because I haven't been on Omegle since the pandemic. I tried it out with my best friend. Let's just say I saw a lot of disgusting images. The first time I went on Omegle was when I was like grade 6 or so, and I was hanging out with my friend group at the time. All of us were off to the side of the camera. None of us showed our face on that side, of course, because we were children, but like that was the first time I ever saw a certain body part that I'm not sure I'm allowed to mention in this video. So now I will be going through that same trauma again! Ah! Yay! Such good content, right, guys? Ew.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I did like a test recording earlier, and like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like I don't know what to tell I don't know how to talk to these people. I'll just get comfortable, I guess. I'll try like a different country. I'll try like an English speaking country for my English speaking viewers, and then later on I'll try the Filipino one. Let's try US. Hi. Ew! 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 Hi. Wala akong mic. Hindi, narinig kita kanina. Nagsasalita ka kanina, yan ang walang mic.
Huh?
Let's try New Zealand. Ew, what the fuck? Hi.
Ay, taga saan ka?
Taga, Manila.
Saan sa Maynila?
Sa... I don't know. Ang ganda naman ng boses mo, kuya.
Ay.
Wow.
Hindi. Ako lang to.
Sali ka sa The Voice.
Olympics.
Ay, wow, Olympics. Sumali ka? Ikaw ba si Yulo?
Hindi. Tinatawag nila ako, yung totoong pangalan is Ralph. Kapag nag-Saibyo ako, tinatawag nila akong Yulo, idol. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo?
Wala lang.
May hinahanap ka kaya siguro dito.
No.
That's
Bored lang ako.
for-
May napapanood kasi ako mga video na like they're talking to like other people on Omegle. Parang it sounds fun. So tinry ko.
Pero isa lang yung payo ko dito sa'yo. Huwag mo pagkakatiwalaan yung mga ibang tao dito. Minsan ka lang makakahanap ng maayos na tao. Kasi may mga ibang lalaki dito. At mga babae din na may ginagawang kababalagan.
Yeah, meron akong nakita na
Kanina,
yeah.
ito, me, content creator.
Content creator ka. Saan the at?
TikTok. Not like content talaga. Yung content ko is about sports. Ganon. Kumbaga nag-highlights. And ito, kapag bagong sahod, naglalamping ang ate para kay Bunso, tapos sasabihin sa Bunso, so, love mo naman ako, di ba? Bilan mo kaya ako ng makeup. Nung naglagnat ako, sabi ko, ate, pwede mo akong lutuan kasi hindi ako makakapagluto kasi sumasakit ulo ko tapos nilalagnat ako. Ito ang ginawa. Entrance muna. Ay! Sabi niya, 2K. Huwag na lang, magpapa-Uber na lang ako o kaya magpo-Food Panda. Sabi kong gano'n.
Grabe, may service fee? Pinapang-content mo ba yung Omegle na to?
Maybe this time.
Tapos mamaya pag nasa TikTok na ako.
Hindi.
No.
Mamaya.
Actually,
Mamaya.
may channel ako.
Ay, collab na to, ma.
Ito yung channel ko on YouTube. Ako din po kasi I also do a sport po.
Anong sports?
Gusto mo mag-guess kung anong sport yung ginagawa ko?
Nagba-volleyball ka?
No.
Badminton? Chess?
No.
Football?
No.
Ay! Ano?
Debate. Kino-consider mo yun na sport?
Ito kasi, sumali ako sa volleyball nung tula ko noon hanggang elementary. Buong akala ko, yung mga kasama ko is lalaki. Yung pala mga bading.
Ah.
So ako, parang hindi pa ako komportable kasi mga bading sila eh. Hindi ko sila makain sabayan eh. Kasi pure talaga akong lalaki. Ito ang nangyari. Nung nagtagal-tagal ng, parang tinuturuan na nila ako kung paano magpapabakla.
Ah.
So,
Kino-convert ka nila. Hala.
pero, doon ko naranasan yung masaya. Nakatulog ako noon. Sa may dressing room namin noon. Sa may
Hala.
team.
Hala.
Nakatulog ako. Pagkagising ko, putik nakasalapit na yung buhok ko. Lumabas ako papuntang gym. Kasi sabi niya, you look so pretty na, be. Sabi niya, ako tagahabol ng bola kapag malayo. Sabi niya, saluin mo, be. Katulad ng pagmamahalin sa akin. Sabi niya, gano'n. Uy, may banat? Sasaluin ng bola.
Ganon?
May banat? Gumanon ako. Tapos sabi niya, I like that hair. Ang haba. Uy, be, sabi niya sa akin, huwag ka magpakabading ha. Kasi sayang ang mukha mo. Gumanon siya sa akin. Tapos sabi niya, hindi. Dapat ganun ka. Yung parang pang lalaki. Akala ko kasi dapat ganun ba talaga eh. Lahat eh. Ganun. Dapat kapag nagre-receive ka, dapat yung kamay mo gano'n. Yung gano'n.
Magpagano'n.
1 year and 1.5. Be, Tarus, come and go na. Ganun na ako. Ako ba to? Sasampalin ko kaya sarili ko. Sabi ko, you know what? Let's go. Pogi ba? Oh my. Ganun. Tapos sasabihin na lang sa mga pogi. Minsan kapag nandun ako sa court, sasabihin na, hi, babe. Tapos dalang wing. Yung parang,
Para ma-distract yung opponent. Para makascore. Bakit pink ka, kuya?
Baka sa ilo din mo ito, I don't know.
Umpa-lumpa yarn.
Legit ba?
Joke.
Puta, para akong hotdog na pinatong sa kanin.
Nangangamatis ka pa kami. Ew. Hi. Kamusta? Ganda niya, Tess. Hindi na. No. Hi.
What's up?
What's up? I like your
What do you
hair. You have really
Thank
nice
you.
curls.
Thank you. I like your fuck. No. I like your earrings. I like your earrings.
Thank you.
They suit you.
Thank you.
Sorry. You make me nervous.
Oh, really?
A little bit.
No,
But-
nothing to be nervous about. It's just me.
Oh, it's just you. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll keep it between us then. What's your name?
My name is Felicia.
Felicia.
Yeah.
Exotic.
Exotic. Well,
Mm,
how about you?
are
What's your name?
Tyler. Just
Tyler.
Are you living in the Philippines right now?
It's not New Zealand. I just put New Zealand because I wanted to try and find like English speakers on here because like I've just been getting like other Filipinos.
Yeah, I see. Because there's heaps of Philippines. I live in New Zealand. Oh, obviously, there's heaps of Filipinos here, and they
And I look
stuff.
very Filipino.
yeah.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
To me, you just look good.
Oh, thank you. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 19. How old are you?
I'm 17.
I see.
Bye, Felicia.
Huwag ka mag-vape, kuya. Bad yan sa lungs.
sige, sabi mo eh.
Ah, madali ka lang pala kausap.
Alam mo si Reiko?
Sino?
Reiko.
Ayan. Siya? Ang ganda naman ah.
Kamukha kayong dalawa eh.
Thank you.
Ang ganda niyo.
Thank you.
Taga saan po kayo?
No. Tutulog ka, kuya? Naantok po kayo?
Hindi.
Bakit naman ganun po kayo? Oh my gosh, you're so pretty! Hi!
Hello. Hi.
Hey!
Morning po. Putik.
12 pa lang. Morning na agad.
Bakit? Di ba? Morning na naman eh.
Di ba gabi pa yan?
Gawi.
Yeah, gabi. May
Di ba
nakita ka
pag-
bang araw?
Sa amin meron eh. Sa likod ko.
Ilaw yon. Hindi yun araw.
Hindi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello po.
Oh, yung girl sa likod, ang cute. Labas ka! Why are you hiding? Hi! Si ating naka-glasses din, ang cute. Hi!
Ako. Hala.
Eh, ako. Cute ba ako?
Jody,
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there? No, it's actually pissing me off. Oh my god, it pisses me off. Why would a man be there?
Hello, logo tayo dyan.
Dahil kaya kita skip.
Huwag mo skip.
Ginagawa mo dyan? Ginagawa mo dyan?
Para kang tanga, gago ka. Anong ginagawa ko sa'yo?
Okay, that's all for today. I'm gonna go to sleep, guys. It's so late. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. This was another interesting video. Bye-bye. Mwah.